Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add tracking codes in WooCommerce at 2026. So actually guys, first you all need to understand where to place tracking codes. So the tracking codes can be used for Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Facebook Pixel, Meta Conversation, TikTok Pixel, LinkedIn Insights, Tag, and custom scripts like marketing and affiliate tracking. So in WooCommerce, these scripts can go into header, footer, and thank you and order complete page for conversation tracking. So actually guys, at first you all need to add tracking code via WordPress customizer. Okay, so that's a simple method to do. So you all need to go to the WordPress dashboard and then just go with appearance option on the left hand menu, right? And then just go with editor. You will need just go with styles right here, and after that just go and click on these three dots and click on additional CSS. So you all need just to type the additional CSS just right here. So you all need to copy paste it or to copy paste your tracking code in the header section or in the footer section, and then just go with save and publish. Okay, so once you type it, you will need to go and click save. You will find it just right here. Okay, so then just click on publish to save the changes, and that works for most tracking scripts like Google Analytics or Meta Pixels. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.